Yeah, it definitely does. And I guess maybe a little bit of context to help out the discussion is like
Yeah.
I I have a YouTube channel. Well, I have two, but one of them's new.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like me recording myself, kind of similar to what you do. And then I have another
Okay.
one that's an animated channel called Betterment Boss, where I do like animated finance ones. And the animated one I've been doing for about 2 or 3 years, making like
Awesome.
some good income, whatever, like cracked 100K subs in November or something. So where
Congrats.
I'm going with this, thank you, and likewise. So I guess where I'm going with this is I totally understand how, YouTube is like a great opportunity for monetization through affiliates, through courses, consulting. I know you have your calls through Patreon and whatnot.
Yeah.
Um, but then at the end of the day, it's just one platform that everything
Yeah.
runs through. And as a content creator for the last few years, and I'm more like LinkedIn in terms of a network of people that also run similar animated channels. I've
Uh-huh.
seen one or two have struggles with their longevity or even just getting like some copyright strikes and getting taken down. So
Mm-hmm.
I would say like any other business, right? There is always some sort of going concern issues around running your business. So
Yeah.
I was interested to, I guess again, like get your take on going all in on one kind of source of income
Yeah.
or one main platform. Given that I know you have like an accounting background and that always involves risk management and stuff.
Well, the answer is this, okay? The way I see YouTube, there's a theory in economics, right? The idea that lawyers make a lot of money and doctors is basically a lot of people try, but not most actually get it there. So the people that do make it to those like careers have to get money for the other people that basically didn't make any money. Now, what I
Mm-hmm.
mean is this, okay? As a YouTuber, you get to make a lot of money all at once, usually for a very short amount of time. Might be, for example, 1 year, might be 2, 3, 4, 5 years, might be 8, 10 years like PewDiePie. You don't know how long it's gonna go on for, but you do know you're probably gonna make a lot more money than the average person. Now,
Yeah.
if you are, for example, gonna take a massive risk, it's basically, hey, I'm gonna like, okay, if I was just to go into accounting, I make like 75K. On YouTube, I make like around 30K per month. So in 2 months, in 2.5 months, I made, for example, what I would make in an accounting like job for the whole year. Now, if I'm smart, over the next 2, 3 years, I'm gonna invest in all that money, which means over 3 years, so far I've made, for example, let's say what I would have made like in 10 years of accounting, right? That's the whole goal. So you got to grab the money you're making, depending on how much you're making, and you got to make sure A, you have no debt, B, you have security for an emergency fund, like at least 3 to 6 months. That way you're covered on that part. But you also want to make sure you're investing the bulk of your money into passive income, like streams or whatever. For example, for me, I'm very heavy on the stock market, but for some of you, it might be or for you, it might just be, for example, Adam, hey, I want to invest into real estate or I want to diversify into this business or whatever.